not this simpler? Is this not your natural state? It's the unspoken truth of humanity that you crave subjugation. The bright lure of freedom diminishes your life's joy in a mad scramble for power, for identity. You were made to be ruled. In the end, you will always kneel.
Not to men like you.
There are no men like me.
There are always men like you.
Look to your elder people. Let him be an example. You know, the last time I was in Germany and saw a man standing above everybody else, we ended up disagreeing. The soldier. The man out of time. I'm not the one who's out of time.
Loki, drop the weapon and stand down.
Captain?